Mr. Chairman, this committee must have the courage, the will to deploy its powers as enunciated in the Nigerian Constitution and issue warrant, not tomorrow, today, and bring Kyari, even dead or alive, in law. They what we call habeas corpus. Even if he's dead, we want to see the body. And he will account. And you should say, here lies a man who died without accounting for his alleged crime that rose into trillions of naira. We are not talking of billions of naira. At the time when the country is borrowing money, we have huge sums of money that have not been accounted for. There are serious issues not raised by laymen, raised by competent auditors. And the man is joking. Where did he have the money to pay for his medical bill in Germany? If you order your leadership, end to exceptions, end to excuses, I will invoke our powers to order the arrest and of Kyari and of the managing director of NNPC. Both the past and the present, they are guilty of the same offense. Total disregard to the Nigerian Constitution and unable to account for the gross abuse of our major source of revenue, running into trillions of naira.
Those in support of the motion say aye.
Aye.
Those against say nay. Okay. We hereby rule now that anywhere Mele Kyari, the former GMD of NNPC, be brought to the committee, should be arrested and be brought before the committee immediately. The ayes have it. So we set up a committee of 3 later to investigate. And also for clarity, we will raise the warrant and forward it to the Senate President, to execute. That is in respect of the first motion that we ruled. Clerk, the next person.
Mr. Chairman,
I, Balawunti, do solemnly affirm, and to put it on record, that as of today, I have not received any formal.
A big sum of 5.8 billion naira was used to register the new company, NNPC. That's not true.
People want their children to be employed.
In Kogi East, and I'm a member of this committee.
Adam, have you eaten the forbidden fruit? His trip anywhere in the world and return home. And come
for the invitation, he's aware.
We're not here only for NNPC. And therefore, even if